Alrighty, that is my Just Roll pizza crust. I am coming in with my Ragu pizza sauce. I'm just gonna put a little drizzle of this on here, not too much. And we're gonna just spread this across our crust, making it a super easy lunchtime treat today. Just a fun take on a classic that everyone loves. I think you guys are really gonna like this. Coming in with my extra sharp cheddar cheese. And I'm just gonna start laying out my slices here. Just kind of end to end. You can use a different cheese if you prefer. I like the slices for this. You don't have to use a slice. You can use shredded, Colby Jack, Pepper Jack, Monterey Jack. I think once you see this whole thing come together, you'll see why it's sort of dealer's choice when it comes to the cheese. Alrighty, now I've just got some pre-cooked bacon. You can of course make your own bacon. I recommend having it a little less crispy for this, but of course it's all up to preference and what you like. All right, we're just gonna finish this up. I used about a pack and a half of this cooked bacon. But of course you don't have to make this as bacon full if you don't want to. All right, I've just got some thin sliced Roma tomatoes here. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of place these in, maybe a little bit more sparse than this. Let me just move them around and kind of see. These are gonna be a great flavor. You could also add basil to this. You could add mayonnaise. The possibilities really just are kind of endless with the way you can customize this. All right, I'm gonna kind of grab the edge of my pizza dough here, separating it from this little, what would you call that, parchment paper it comes on. And we're gonna just start rolling this and folding it in. It's gonna be, you know, not too challenging, but of course this cheese slices are just a little bit stiff. And now that my pizza dough has been out of the fridge for a minute, it's slightly sticky. But y'all, we're gonna manage, and I think you're really gonna like the final result of this. All right, I'm gonna kind of just cut these into individual pieces, just sort of down the line here. We can kind of reshape them after we've got them cut. You'll see what we're gonna do with them. They're gonna look pretty, they're gonna look really cool. And this is just an elevated, fun way to turn a classic, kind of standard lunch into something you can serve for your family and friends. Alrighty, I'm coming in with 1 can of my tomato soup. I'm gonna bring this over to my skillet. Of course, this is the condensed kind. You don't have to use this. You can use, you know, a pre-mixed. I'm just gonna add that can's worth of water that it calls for. Give this just a little mixy mix here. Perfect. All right, I'm bringing in my little pizza dough rosettes here. Just gonna get that positioned. Kind of placing these around. I maybe needed 2 pizza doughs. Just gonna spread these out a bit, just like that. Alrighty, y'all, our skillet is ready for the oven. I'm gonna pop these in at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, our grilled cheese roses were in the oven for about 20 minutes. They are nice and crusty on top. That bacon, our cheese is ooey gooey melted inside. Our perfectly cooked pizza crust with that hint of grilled cheese. Oh, how could you go wrong? You serve this up to everyone. A delicious hot lunch that the whole family or your family and friends, guests, whoever you're having over is going to enjoy. Y'all, this is so easy and so good. You gotta try it.